Supposed to be a glow up vlog, still look crazy days later. Yeah.
Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I don't know what that was, but if you're new here, welcome. My name is DaeOnes. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video, I am coming with a trying to get my life together type of maintenance vlog, kinda. But most of the things I want to do it here at home. The only thing I'll probably go out and do is my eyebrows and my feet. I'll probably go get a pedicure. So this vlog is going to be over like a series of days. Of me just like getting my life together. My braids, I've had these braids now for about a month and a half. So it's time for them to go. I was really trying to hold out so that my my wig could come in the mail, but I don't know, I keep tracking it and it's not coming, so I'm like, yeah. And these braids are just like mad heavy right now. Low-key think they're giving me like daily headaches, so it's time to like take them out. You start seeing like my hair coming through and stuff like that. These edges gotta go and all that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Contemplating about if I want to wear my natural hair out, which I really don't want to because I can't be bothered to do it. And then I have a wig that I might just revamp and call it a day and rock with it until my new wig come in. So I don't know, I just need to get different. I need to start experimenting more with just like hair and stuff like that. I've enjoyed these braids though because it's a get up and go, unless I want to lay my edges, but these, it's impossible now. So it's ready, I'm ready for them to be taken out.
You say that I've been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on you. And you don't want to double dipping, yeah. Used to slap me how I caught you slipping up. You're off the leaves, run me my keys. No more popping up the idiot, yeah. I ain't even got the miles to trip on, yeah. New phone, oh it there, brand new, like the whip. Rock it up, no assist. Make bitch, I ain't average. Wake up, need a zip, Hennessy. Take a sip, look at my jeans, I'm too thick, I ain't got no room for extra baggage. So don't forget to come and pick up your don't leave no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your
Hey y'all, so hours later, it's nighttime now. I just got done washing my hair and I blow dried it a little bit. Haven't decided what I want to do, so I think I'm going to sleep on it. I'm just going to put a bun, not a bun, I'm just going to put my bonnet on and see. I did clip my ends a little bit. I still feel like I need to cut it a little bit more. I want to get rid of the ends, the colored ends, but I don't know, I'm gonna just let it grow out some more and then I'll just like gradually clip it off because I don't want to like chamba up my ear. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking nice, very dry. I'm about to moisturize it too because I didn't put anything in it before I blow dried it. So yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. This is kind of where the maintenance ends. I'm just gonna relax because doing my hair is a whole process. So I will see y'all in the morning. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So it's a whole day later, y'all. Last time y'all saw me, my hair was blown out. Yesterday I got it braided, so I got my Meek Millies in. I wasn't sure what hairstyle I wanted to do. I really wanted to do a ponytail, hence why I blew up my hair. But then I was like, I was kind of nervous because I don't know how to like do a ponytail and like braid it down and stuff. So I was like, and then first of all, my wig came, so I was just like, bet. So my wig came, so I was like, I'm gonna do a wig for this video, even though I don't think I'm gonna install the new wig in this video. I'll probably do that in another video, but I want to revamp my old wig. I would just want to like, you know, just revamp it and see, because I do have wigs, it's just like they're like old and busted. I'm just like no, but I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm just gonna install my older wig and try to revamp that. Today I am up, I am dressed. It's 10:50 right now. I'm dressed for the gym, but I wanted to see if I could get a pedicure before I head to the gym and get my eyebrows done. It is Friday, so it is the nail salon rush and everything is probably strong, but I'm hoping that it's the morning time, so like it's not that packed and people are actually at work. So I'm trying to beat the rush. But technically, this nail salon, it be people lining up outside before they open. So I don't know. And I really don't go anywhere else for my pedicures. I just always go here. So hopefully they're not crowded. I'm dressed for the gym, like I said. So if they're crowded, I'm gonna just go to the gym and go to the nail salon on Monday when it's really empty. And yeah, so the nail salon is closed. They're on vacation for a week. They reopen on Monday, so I'll come up here first thing Monday morning to get that done. So yeah, gym it is. I'm about to head to the gym. I will talk to y'all later. Been in the gym parking lot now probably for like 30 something minutes, and I've just been sitting here. I don't feel like working out. I don't feel like doing anything, but I know once I go in and I start, I'll be fine. But the will to get up, I'm gonna have it. And I'm just here thinking, like, Shadi, think about the end result, think about what you want. And I know all of that, but I still don't feel like going. But I know 6 months from Hey y'all, so this portion of today's video is sponsored by Modelones. They were kind enough to send me over kind of their starter kit for gel nails. As you know, I've been doing a lot of nails at home, so they sent me the UV lamp. The mini one, I had a bigger one, so I used my bigger one, but the mini one is nice for when you're traveling on the go. Or if you just want to see if gel nails are something that you want to get into, it's definitely beginner friendly. Look at all these goodies that they sent over, y'all. They sent me their top and base coat, and they sent me a bunch of different colors, nail art, cuticle cleaner, the UV lamp, like all the goodies, y'all. So definitely look at that. They even sent me a nail file, different ones, a brush. Like, you can't tell me I'm not a professional out here, okay? When I pull out all my tools, you can't tell me that you can't tell me that I'm not about this life, okay? So today I'm choosing to use this cute color, this pink color. The specific one that I use will be in the description box along with all the other colors that I had. So I'm starting off with my base coat. I just applied like a quick thin layer of that on my nails. And I just cure that for about 30 seconds. Then I go in with my nail polish. I think I did about 2 coats of this pink color. You don't need that much because the gel polish is very concentrated and everything like that. So I only did 2 coats. If you want to see the finished product, though, you gotta wait until the end for this glow up video, honey. We love a DaeOnes sponsor, so in the description box we have codes for y'all to, as well as the direct links to everything that I used in this video to achieve the cute blush pink color. Thank you to Modelones for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. Alright, y'all, onto the hair. So I got me some Adore Jet Black hair dye. I'm using the watercolor method because I'm using an old wig. I had it for about 2, 3, maybe even 4 years. It came as 1B, but we slowly transitioned over to a 2. So I decided I wanted to be, you know, jet black. So I got some jet black hair. I'm using a watercolor method. If you don't know what that is, watch some videos on YouTube because that's what I did. It was the quickest way to get myself together. I'm using my Got To Be spray just to make sure that the color doesn't transfer to my lace, and I just dip the wig in there. But again, y'all gotta wait till the end to see the finished product. This glow up about to be real, okay? So keep watching and y'all will see the glow up at the end. Period. Hi, are y'all busy right now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, about 4 or 5 people waiting.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'll just come in the morning. What time y'all open tomorrow?
Tomorrow, 10 o'clock.
10? Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Right,
bye-bye.
Hey y'all, so I know I look crazy, but as you just heard, I just called the nail salon to see if they were crowded, and they said it was about 4 or 5 people, so that's a long wait. So I'm just gonna go early in the morning. I didn't get to go this morning because I had to help somebody with some math work. They open at 10, so I'm gonna try to be there at 10 o'clock or before 10, because like I said, like sometimes they are crowded before they open. So I'm gonna try to get there before 10 tomorrow, so that I can finally get my nails done, and that will probably be the last thing that I have to do in this maintenance video. And I feel like I just need to go ahead and get my hair done, because once your hair done, you look kind of presentable, but I'm still looking crazy. So if it seems like I'm not making any progress, for me, for this video, it's a lot of like behind the scenes. So like, as you can see, last night I did the wig and everything. I need to go home now and style it and like put it on my head, and then go do my nails and my eyebrows tomorrow. And then by tomorrow, I should look like somebody picked me. I should look like somebody's child, okay? Yeah, I'm tired. I look crazy. We maintaining madness. We not what we doing? This supposed to be a glow up vlog. Still look crazy days later. But that's also because I'm just leaving the gym, and I just threw this wig on just because I needed something to get in the gym. But anyway, right now I am about to go home.
Myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
I know I still look crazy. I promise you this is the last time. Well, I'm not gonna make promises I can't keep. Hopefully the last time y'all see me like this. So I just left the nail salon, got a pedicure, and got my eyebrows waxed. I'm missing a tip of this one, but I would say I would try to grow it out, but I don't think that's possible. Like I don't know. But anyway, it's 1:30 right now. I'm supposed to be at my lash appointment right now. I had to reschedule, which is fine. I'll just put some strips on. But I was in the nail salon for like 3 hours. I got there, they opened at 10. I got there around like 10:30, and they were already packed. So that sucked. So now I am heading home to just get myself together, and really glow up. All right, so we are here, honey. The glow up is here, hair done, nails did, everything did, period. For the hair, I cut it. I think the wig was about maybe 22 or 24 inches, so I cut it, and cutting it was a little hard for me. I started on the mannequin head, then I put it on my head to make sure that like the sides are leveled. Then I put it back on the mannequin head. It was a lot of back and forth, but I feel like I'm okay with it. Curling it, I'm not quite adept with like a curling iron yet, so I'm trying to like get used to doing that. But for the most part, I like the way it came out. Makeup is done, honey. I didn't get to do my lashes because I had to cancel my lash appointment yesterday, but I did put my press-ons on here, so definitely check out the link in the description box if you love this nail color. I have a lot more as well, so y'all will see them throughout my vlogs as well. But yeah, we are together, honey. So I'm about to go take some Instagram pictures actually. So if you enjoy this glow up video, this maintenance video, definitely go ahead and give a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all. Stay tuned on IG for the pictures, period.